Well, welcome to Lesson 3, and in this particular lesson, which will be a very enjoyable lesson in adding colors, transitions, even pictures, I want to just give you a brief introductory video, and there won't be a lesson plan that you'll see as at normal times, because the lesson plan is actually embedded in each of the lessons. I'd like to have your eyes just focus on Keynote. So let's click on Keynote here. And let's go again to our motorcycle example. And let's just show a few things you can do. You'll notice what we can do is we can go ahead and click on a particular word. We can then click on the little brush at the top. And so this top right here is the brush. And this brush allows you to manipulate the text in different ways you would like. For instance, you can click boldface. You'll notice now that actually the word keynote is boldface. Let me go ahead and get rid of this little menu here. And so this particular item, it's a paintbrush and it allows for you to add color and add different formatting to different text. Okay, now let's go ahead and add a transition. You can go to the thumbnail here. I'll click it. And my finger's on it. And when I let go, it comes up with some options. I go ahead and press it again so you can see the options appear on the screen. And although it's not showing up, it's showing up on my screen, but it's not showing up on your screen. Let me go ahead and click on the transitions. There we go. So it pops up this little menu, and then you can click the transition button. So the replication is a little bit slow today, but once you click on that transition button, then it actually gives you options for how you want to transition. And you'll notice right here, I've clicked the clothesline transition. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on the actual presentation, and you can add transitions to the different slides. And so I'm going to go ahead and click Done, which is right up here. And then I'll go ahead and click Presentation Mode, which is right here. Now, when I go ahead and tap in order to go to the next screen, it actually has a transition. And before this actual presentation, I actually added a transition to the motorcycle slide too. I'll tap on that, and it actually does blinds. And so you can transition from slide to slide very easily using that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead. There's a little X on my particular screen. You can't see it, but it's actually at the top right. It's not showing on your screen. That brings me back to the slide. And now what you can do is you can play with some of these other items, and you're going to learn these in the particular lesson that you're about to read. I'd like to leave that for your reading so that you can actually experiment with some of these items. This will greatly enrich your presentations. Thank you very much.